eat, eat, sleep, sleep, drink, drink, walk, walk, run, run, talk, talk, listen, listen, read, read, write, write, watch, watch, drive, drive, cook, cook, clean, clean, study, study, work, work, play, play, sing, sing, dance, dance, laugh, laugh, cry, cry, smile, smile, shop, shop, exercise, exercise, relax, relax, plan, plan,